guys, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be playing with Play-Doh! And why am I dropping everything today? I don't know. But we have a massive amount of Play-Doh, and when I say massive, I mean massive. Look at that, you guys! Look at how much Play-Doh! It is exactly 60 cans of Play-Doh. Okay, so let's get started. So, first thing up is, I think it's one of the best things that we can make is a cupcake. And I already have the liner here. And I think we are going to make a chocolate cupcake. So I'm just going to get my chocolate. Now I'm going to snap my fingers and it's going to be in my hand. 1 second. Ready, set, boom! I have it in my hand. Guys, that wasn't real magic. I just... Okay, so I'm just going to take some of this, and my cupcake has a mold at the bottom, so I'm just going to mush it into there. Mush it in there. Pull it up. Okay, there you go, cupcake. There's the cupcake, and I think I'm actually going to make a mint chocolate chip cupcake. So I'm going to get my teal frosting. Here's some teal, and I'm just going to get my extruder and we will make some frosting. Okay guys, I got my extruder, and I'm just going to open up the teal Play-Doh. Oh, and if you guys are wondering where I got a 60 set of Play-Doh, it is an exclusive at Walmart, and I got it for Christmas. Trying to get it open. Got it. Got it. That's what it looks like. There's two different greens. One's just like a grass green, and this one's teal. So now I'm going to take this, roll it up, put it in the extruder, and then I'm going to make the frosting. Then I have my little stopper. And I'm not going to do it onto the frosting, onto the cupcake, I mean. I'm just going to slide it out, and then I will shape it into the kind that I want it to be. It's kind of hard to do this. So. Okay, now I'm just going to roll it up into my shape. Let's see. That's weird. Okay, so I'm going to roll it out, and then I'm gonna make it a ball, and then I'm just gonna smush it to make it a little circle, and then I'm just gonna sort of shape the edges. is my cupcake. That's what it looks like from the top. And I think I'm going to go get some molds and we'll put a mold on top. Hey guys, I just realized and I forgot that there's a mold on the bottom of these, and it's a bow, which was the one that I was looking for, but I couldn't find it. So let's just use this one, and I think I'm gonna make the bow, what is it? Pink! Because bows are usually pink. That's my answer. Ow. 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 It's hurting me. Trying to open it. Okay. Get a little bit out. Take the stuff on the bottom. Fit it in the mold. I take some of another Play-Doh and then do that. Take the bow off. Take the cupcake. Oh. Okay, and wait, let me fix the bow. There's my cupcake. That was the end of this video, guys. Bye!